This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, thanks for watching. I'm Megan Donahue. With me today is Tony Register from the Law Office of Alley Register McEachern. Welcome back, Tony.
Thank you for having me.
We've had some questions emailed to us, so if you don't mind, I'll go ahead and ask you one. One of the viewers wrote in and said, I owe money to a creditor. They've brought a lawsuit against me. Can the creditor take everything I owe to pay the debt?
No. Under federal and state laws, there's certain amounts and kinds of property that creditors aren't allowed to take. It's called exempt property. There are many kinds of exemptions, but some of the more common exempt property includes $5,000 in household goods and personal property, $3,500 worth of equity in an automobile, up to $35,000 worth of equity in your home. Other really important exemptions include individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or 401ks. Monies that are in these types of accounts, creditors do not have a right to take from you. One of the worst things you can do if you have a debt is to reach into your IRA or 401k and pull out money to pay a debt, particularly unsecured debts like credit cards. You're voluntarily surrendering property that they aren't entitled to receive.
That's good to know. So what can they do to protect the exempt property?
Well, you have to claim your exemptions. If a creditor has brought a lawsuit against you and gotten a judgment, before a creditor can take any property from you, he has to send you a writing called Notice of Right to Exempt Property. He has to give you notice that you have the right to keep certain property. Unfortunately, most folks don't know what it means and they ignore it. And if you ignore it, then you lose your right to claim the exempt property. So don't ignore a Notice of a Right to Exempt Property. See your attorney. Know what your rights are. The creditor is not allowed to take the shirt off your back.
That's very helpful information. Thank you. You can find out more about this by going to alleyregistermcEachern.com.
For more details, go to LawConnect on WECT.com.